Hi, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Now scroll down again, click on vibration and haptics, and disable or enable all vibration and haptic options by clicking on this switcher at the top. If you decide to enable them, you can also manage all of those by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen ones, like ringtone vibration, vibrate first then ring gradually option, outgoing call vibration, synchronized ring vibration, notification one, alarm, touch, and media. If you wish to disable all of those right away, just click on the same top switcher again. Whatever you do, when you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!